maadaa.ai-cam video dataset version 1.0. It includes multi-city and multi-types of roads, and it includes a wide range of weather conditions, for example, sunny, cloudy, and nightlight. The dataset includes multiple types of annotated objects such as cars, trucks, buses, motorcycles, pedestrians, etc. The total length of this video in this version 1.0 dataset is approximately 6,300 minutes. The total number of annotated images is approximately 20,000. It contains 200,000 bounding boxes for multiple types of targets, as well as attributes such as occlusion, orientation, etc. Here's the introduction of maadaa.ai-cam video dataset. Thank you for watching. maadaa.ai-cam video dataset helps autonomous driving and intelligent transportation. We empower your machine learning model.